Welcome back to my channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until the end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, choose File, New. Let's wait for a bit. And now it shows a new SolidWorks documents and its template, and we choose the part and we'll open a new drawing to be sketched, and let's choose the top plane and to normal to the sketch, and let's sketch and pick up the sketch itself. And now let's draw a center rectangular. We just click on the center and we change the value. Oh, it's already millimeter. We'll choose the millimeter as the value. Okay, let's close on this one, and the smart dimension, use that smart dimension, and let's put it as 40 in millimeter, and regenerate the model with the current value and save the current value and exit the dialog box. And then let's say this one is 60 in millimeter to regenerate, and then save the current value. Now let's say angle, I wanted to sketch pillar this one, so I choose the sketch pillar, and let's say it's 10, and entities the pillar is this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, and close the dialog box. Another one. And now I wanted to put it as a solid, so I had to extrude it both base, and it's usually I use the midpoint, and with a depth of 10, and close the value, and then I made a solid block, and then I had to choose this one for a normal tool for another sketch, second sketch, and then we use the corner rectangular, click on those tab, and then dimension it as 10, unit is in millimeter. Now it's all fully defined, all black is fully defined, and now I wanted to have it extruded on an upward position, so let's extrude it for 50 millimeter, goes up. Now I wanted to have rounded on this one, so I used the fillet tool, and let's say that is 30 in units, and the items to fillet is this one and this one, so it shows right away that it was fillet at the half of it, with this 30 and 30. It will gives you a rounded edges. okay. Let's say, let's put another sketch onto the right plane, and let's sketch it. Let's put in a normal to the paste on protopass and use an insert up to the middle. Let's say this one to this one, or this one comes to, let's say, 25 millimeter, regenerate, and then save the current value. Now it's already fully defined, it's black. Let's get out of the dialog box, and now make a rib, and automatically let's go on this one. One is on the other side there if you want it. This one is on the middle. This one is the second side, on the side on the other area, and this one is going down. You see this one, the portion here to extrude in direction is going down the two paces. Well, if I want it to other side, it will go on the other side. Here you go down. This one you go on the left side. You flip it, it goes on the other side. So I want it to go in. I don't want to go out. I want it to go inside of the two bodies. So I want it to have in the middle. Now you made a rib one. So that one is good. Then now I have to make a hole on this side. Maybe we have to make the boss more longer. Let's say 60 as the unit, as in millimeter. So I can make a circle out of that area. So let's use the normal tool and then use the hole wizard. So we make, this one is the hole in metric, or yeah, in metric. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's in metric. And then drill size, say on 25. To the next, the position, 3D sketch. Now we get a hole right now at the top of the solid. I wanted to have like a pipe on this one, or a conduits or a pipes that's been going out of here and going on this side. So let's do first a plane from the middle of this one. I had to make one that's in the middle. So this one is in the middle already. It's the phase 2, phase 1 and phase 2. This one's phase 2, and the phase 1 is right there. And I made a plane that is plane 1, and then I wanted to sketch on that plane So let's do the normal. Press the shift key on your keyboard and convert the entities. So you see that I made an entities or a circle on the middle, and then I offset it reverse, which is, let's say, 2.5. Let's do back again. Offset 2.5. Reverse. So you made the two circles inside of the hole. So let's do an extrude in between or in the middle. Okay. So, and it merged, and that's 50. That is correct. Mid plane, and then merge, and with 50, that is 25 here and 25 on this side. And say okay. Let's hide this plain one. Save the drawing. Exercise 163. And save. Then let's say I wanted to jumper. Let's say this one only 2.5 as a unit. This one and this one and this one. Oops. Let's put it like that first. And this one. This one. The jumper, and also this one and this one, and then let's do the jumper again on both end here, but it's only one that I need, and also here, and also here, also there, also there. Let's move it as 1.5. Let's see. So it doesn't work. So it's only 1.00. That does work. Okay, now you have a nice clean jumper, and let's do the jumper also. Edit again, and then put the jumper on this side or here. Oops, I don't like the edges here. This one. Oh, it doesn't work. So let's do only this one. That is cool. Now it's jumpered all over. Let's say I wanted to have all colored appearance to, let's say, red or blue or green or magenta. Okay, I like the magenta. Double click on that one, and then shift click, and then press the jumper, and I wanted to have it in blue, on green, cyan, yellow, red, or orange. So let's put it as blue Let's see. Now all of them have all the colors. And then let's do the jumper here. This one. That's cool. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Well, we need another one to put something like a whole spec. I press the whole spec, and we need to have this one, the counter bore in metric, and let's say it's let's put it as 10. Up to the next, and let's do the 3D sketch. Let's check the different stuff here, and let's do a little bit smaller. That's 6 or 5. Now it's kind of nice. Now let's do the location. We'll check the location or change the location to edit it. So press this one and shift key, and press this one, concentric, and this one also, and press the shift key and concentric. Okay, and press OK. Now it's much better to have like that with the bolt that you can put it in. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and see you next tutorial. Thank you very much.